Core Financials sits at the heart of any accounting system. Improving how accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, and the general ledger interact with each other, as well as upstream and downstream processes, creates a platform for automation and visibility. This leads to improved productivity, more accurate information leading to better decision-making, and a greater return on investment. This was true for our example company, Green Apple Security, where Grace, the accounting manager, worked on a legacy accounting system that required a lot of repeat manual work. She and her team relied on unscalable processes, like re-entering invoice information from the order system, and manually getting approvals before cutting checks for each bill. Inflexible canned reports led to a lot of work being done in spreadsheets outside the system of record. This led to management decisions being made on out-of-date, questionable data. Core accounting changed when Grace moved her company financials to Sage Intacct. Orders now start in Sage Intacct order entry, where they move through a workflow from quote to sales order to sales invoice and into accounts receivable. She uses a predefined configurable workflow and even creates multiple workflows to match her business processes and accounting needs. Similarly, configurable purchasing workflows move from requisition to purchase order to vendor invoice and into accounts payable. The final invoices and bills feed into their respective subledgers and general ledger, while cash management tracks money coming in and going out of the company. Along the way, flexible reporting on transactional data and the general ledger create visibility into how the company is performing. A variety of reporting and visualization tools help her tell the company's data story in an easy-to-understand way. Grace even pushes key metrics, charts, and reports to role-based dashboards for the various decision-makers in her company, providing them with real-time information at a glance. With a structure based on an intelligent general ledger and independently closable subledgers, Grace is able to speed up her monthly close. Automations in cash management like bank feeds and reconciliation tools help her further speed up the close. By cutting the monthly close time in half, she gets timely information into the hands of decision makers. More accurate and timely decisions have led to better revenue management and a quicker return on investment in their accounting system. With greater automation and visibility in place, Grace has seen a 40% improvement in productivity in her accounting team. This improved efficiency is also shown through reduced days sales outstanding and led to a marked increase in cash flow. See how you can increase efficiency in your core financial processes by scheduling a live demo of Sage Intacct today.